Hey guys, just doing a really quick video here. We got this amazing bush. Actually, there's maybe about 25 right here. I took some clippings. A friend of mine said, hey, you know what? I've got to trim my bushes because they were about this much too long. And I said, that's perfect. Like, that's amazing for being able to have a clipping. So I took these, and what I did is I actually cut off, I'll show you, a lot of the branches on the bottom. So you can see how far off that is, almost maybe about 8 inches, because these are pretty big. If I hold it back here, you'll see. Yeah, but these were amazing bushes. I'm gonna put a picture and just show you guys exactly what the bush is like right here while I'm talking. Awesome. So yeah, I basically have my clippers here, and I'm just taking these and just trimming off all these bottom branches because as you can see, there are really thick pieces down here, like branches, because this was part of the actual bush. So yeah, I'm just trimming them off, and then I'm going to put them in water. I have my citronella going there because there are so many mosquitoes, it's wild. Of course, Puppy wants to play with Frisbee. He loves his Frisbee. Trying to play with him while I'm doing this as well. She's funny. All right, so I'm finally on my last piece. This has taken me, gosh, about an hour. Okay, it's getting pretty dark outside, but as you can see, I've got all these guys trimmed up. I was gonna put them in some rooting hormone and then in the soil, but I'm actually just gonna put them inside this bucket of water here and kind of hope for the best. So awesome. So there we go, guys. So I've got that inside the water. You can tell I've got a plant nursery. I've got so many plants going on here, and the water's filled up to about here. So all of the leaves are outside of the water because you don't want to let your leaves inside the water because they will rot and they will cause everything else to rot. Anyway, guys, if you know what kind of bush this is, leave a comment in the comment section below because I would love to know. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already because we have so many amazing videos coming. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.